guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzy, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I have an unboxing / try-on haul to share with you guys of some frames I recently picked up from SOJOS Vision. Now, I did pick up some sunglasses as well as some reading frames because I was in desperate need for both. Now, if you guys are interested to see what items I picked up, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. But before I go ahead and jump right in, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. So I recently picked up some frames from SOJOS Vision, and I must share with you guys, they have amazing price points. They're super affordable and the quality is phenomenal. Now, I did want to mention to you guys, on their website they have free shipping on all orders made over $25, which is amazing. And they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, you always have 30 days to return them to get your money back. And if that's not enough, they also come with a 1-year warranty, so all of their frames on their website are under warranty. So if anything were to happen to your frames within that 12-month period, you're covered, which is amazing, especially at the price point that these frames and glasses are sold at, which is amazing. So the first pair of sunglasses I picked up come in this really cute stylish case once you unbox it. Now, I will say this is a very unique design. I've never had a sunglass case be like triangular or 3D, so I will mention that. Now, these are in the style Movement. I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out of the packaging so you guys can see what they look like on. So this is what the frames look like. They're super cute, and these are in the color gray. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on for you guys so you can see. They're so cute. They look so vintage, and that's honestly the look that I was going for. Now, these Movement gray sunglasses retail for $29.99. Now, they do have some of that gray detail on the side handle, which is super cute. And of course, on the front, I love these so much. The quality of them is super sturdy. For $29.99, you really can't beat the price. They feel extremely high quality, like you would find them in a department store. And again, you get this really unique case that comes with them, so you can store them and you don't have to worry about, you know, having any scratches on your lenses, which is amazing. The next pair of glasses I picked up are reading glasses. Now, I am in desperate need for some new glasses. Typically, I like to get 2 new pair every year, and I haven't gotten new glasses in like the past 2 years, so I wasn't quite sure which style I wanted. So I picked up 4 different styles of reading frames because I wasn't too sure which ones would look best on me. And the first pair I picked up are Crazy Work in the shade Clear. So this is what the clear pair looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on so you guys can see them better. Super vintage, giving me like 80s, 70s vibes. I'm not too sure if I will get me a prescription put in these. I think I might just use these for like, you know, picture purposes only and not necessarily to function and read with these. But I think they're cute, I think they're different, and overall I like them. Now, these retail for $19.99, which is a steal. The next pair of glasses I picked up are also another pair of reading glasses, and I really wanted something gold or either rose gold. I knew that for sure because honestly, you guys, 2020 is going to be my vintage year. All of my fashions, all of my trends are pretty much centered around the 70s, the 80s, so obviously I was going for something very vintage. So you guys will hear me say that a lot throughout this video because all of the styles I knew I wanted them to be a little more vintage. So these pair are definitely giving me vintage vibes. Now, these are their Oasis Gold, and these retail for $19.99 as well. And this is what these look like. Super cute. They're very fragile and dainty, but I honestly think these might be the ones I get my prescription put in because I feel like they look very nice. I like the fact that they have that round to them. They give your eyes like a very nice open look. And if you guys didn't know this, I did used to work as a vision tech and an eye doctor, so I know what frames look best on me as well as other people's face, what complements them and what looks really flattering. And I think these look really nice. I love the gold detailing, and if I'm not mistaken, on their website, they also did have this style in the shade Rose Gold. The next pair of glasses I picked up was something I knew I had to have, you guys. I had been on the look for a pair of aviator super dark frames, you guys. I had lost my sunglasses and I was just like feeling incomplete. I knew I needed to get me a new pair of aviators, so that's exactly what I did, and I found that these were really affordable on their website. Again, their sunglasses come in a case like this, and it's a 3D case, very nice, triangular. You're gonna make sure your frames are protected at all times with this case. Now these are their Galaxy aviators in the shade black with black lenses, and I love the way they look so much. Now they are on the flimsier side to me, but I feel like the tint is so nice. It's super duper dark black. You can't see in them, but you can definitely see out. The tint is so subtle, and I love the way they look. Now these Galaxy retail for $29.99, and I feel like the sunglasses are definitely worth it because again, they come with this really cute carrying case that makes sure that your frames are always protected. So these are going to be like my #1 sunglasses because honestly, you guys, they're so dark and they're super duper cute. And I love them. I also wanted to share with you guys before I move on to the next pair, I was able to reach out to SOJOS Vision and get a coupon code for you guys. If you guys are interested in any of the frames I mentioned in this video, make sure you guys check the description box down below because you can use my coupon code 23jasmine15 to save you 15% off your entire order if you order on their website, which is sojosvision.com. I'll go ahead and leave that down in the description box as well so you guys can check them out if you're interested. Moving on to the last two pair of frames I picked up, I did want to mention to you guys that this is what the packaging of the eyeglasses comes in. It's a very nice box, but then you can slide the frames out like that, and they come packaged in this really nice plastic bag. And once you take the bag out, you get a dust bag where you can store your eyeglasses, and then you also get like this microfiber cloth to clean your lenses, which is so freaking nice for the price point. And these are the Try Me in the color pink. They did have a few other shades that this style came in. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to actually like pink frames, and honestly you guys, I looked at them in the mirror and I'm in love. I really love these. I was a little on edge if I would wear pink frames, but I love these so much. These definitely look like me. If you guys know anything about your girl, I love pink. Pink is definitely my favorite color. So these are the Try Me in the shade pink, and they retail for $44.99, which is a little more than the other frames that I've shared with you guys that retail for $19.99. Definitely love how wide the lenses are. They definitely are very nice and circular, giving me that nice vintage vibe. So I definitely like these a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and try on the last pair that I picked up from SOJOS Vision, which is their style She Young in the shade Rose Gold. And almost similar to the last pair, but these are gold and they almost have like a little stench at the top, giving them like that cat eye look. So cute, so adorable, and these retail for $19.99. So I think out of all of the pair, I really enjoy these, the ones I have on, which is the She Young and the Rose Gold style. I also like the Oasis, which is gold as well. These are super cute too. And lastly, I love the Try Me, the pink shades. Oh, these are so cute, super duper cute. So those are my favorite three for my frames. These are definitely the ones I'm thinking about getting my prescription put in. But out of the sunglasses, I think the Galaxy aviators, the black ones, were my favorites. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Those are the sunglasses and the frames I picked up from SOJOS Vision. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out any of their products, make sure you guys check the description box down below so you guys can save 15% off if you use my coupon. This way you're not paying full price, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Take